So, the second season of Patal Lok just dropped, and with it came a fresh and distinctive backdrop of Nagaland that adds an atmospheric layer on intrigue and tension that was sorely missing from the first installment. In short, नया season माने बड़ा धमाका.
सिस्टम ना एक नाव की तरह है चौधरी। सबको पता है इसमें छेद है और तू उनमें से है जो नाव को बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Continuing the gripping journey of हाथीराम चौधरी, शो की शुरुआत वहीं से होती है जहां पहले खत्म हुई थी। जमनाबाद थाने में बसे हुए इस ईमानदार अफसर की कहानी एक विचित्र पड़ाव पर आके रुक जाती है, जहां उनके जूनियर इमरान अंसारी को एक सेलिब्रेटेड ऑफिसर की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता है और वही द मैन फ्रॉम द अंडरग्राउंड इज barely even acknowledged here. It seems that everyone around him is moving upward while he remains in Patal Lok. The hell he never chose, but it has seemingly chosen him.
तू मरेगा चौधरी, तू मरेगा।
When Ansari, now an assistant commissioner of the police, is tasked with investigating a political murder, Hathiram, on the other hand, came across a simple missing persons case. How these cases came together and to form a burning conspiracy that take the cops to the labyrinth of Nagaland form the entire crux of the story.
Delhi police has had no significant breakthroughs in the shocking murder of Jonathan Thom, the founder of Nagaland Democratic Forum.
For those that don't know, the first season of Patal Lok was loosely inspired on Tarun Tehpal's novel, The Story of My Assassins. But why I love the binge-worthy second installment more is largely due to its originality and the director's persistence to focus on its theme and performances rather than mouth-watering set pieces. Because as soon as the theme kicks in a notch, the director pulls back to keep us, the viewers, grounded and invested in the reality of the situation.
Tom died in your city offices, under your watch.
The performances are stellar, and it's refreshing to see directors like Nagesh Kukunur and Jano Barua stepping in front of the camera to make an impact. Jaideep Ahlawat as Hathiram is such a natural, and when you have thought you have seen everything, the man brings more emotion and nuance to his character this season.
ऑफिस बढ़िया है। वो जमुना पार में तो तेरा टेबल, आपका टेबल हिलता रहता था।
Ishwak Singh's ever-evolving dynamic with Hathiram is the backbone of plot. They deliver one of the best scenes of season when Imran Ansari confesses of homosexuality and Hathiram with his Desi andaz takes it with panache without being judgmental.
ये तो अपने अंसारी साहब हैं, बड़ी लंबी छलांग।
Series creators Sudeep Sharma and Avinash Arun Dhavre not only bring Nagaland's lush landscape to life, but also delve into the socio-political tensions of the land. As the place and its ambience looks like decades of shattered peace and instability, which has created a power vacuum for the corrupt. The show's gripping atmosphere and emotional complexity is just the icing on the cake. The use of multiple languages such as Nagamese, Assamese, English and Hindi grounds the story in authenticity and turns the second installment into a dark, devious painting that is magnificent to watch, coupled with a BGM that brings in the tension when needed. The season turns into a must-watch for slow-burning enthusiasts.
ये तो वही लड़की नहीं है जिसके लिए हेडक्वार्टर से नोटिस आया है।
With stellar performances and subtle storytelling, the second season of Patal Lok delivers in both thrill and emotion. What stands out is the manner in which the director have allowed the characters to breathe, which demands our attention at all times. If you're looking for something that delivers both substance and suspense, this one is for you. Or if you're just the fan of the previous installment, trust me, ये वाला उससे भी बड़ा है. Something you just can't miss. So that's my thought on the second season of Patal Lok, which is now streaming on Amazon Prime. If you have watched it already, did you like it? What are your thoughts on it? Are you planning to watch it? Please share your opinions in the comments below. Until next time, this is Movie Medusa signing off.
हाथीराम चौधरी, इंस्पेक्टर हैं जमुना पार थाने में।
अरे क्या फायदा है ऐसी नौकरी का जिसमें कभी भी जान चली जाए। नहीं तो ही बता, मैं